How many times have we wondered, what message should we create? The brand knows what it wants to say. Sometimes there are restrictions on what you can say and you cannot say. There are attributes of the product, the needscapes associated with things the consumer wants in their non-conscious mind. And then there is the kind of words we want to use to trigger emotion. And we all know that everything good in life has to meet legal and regulatory standards. Sometimes you write flowery prose and the legal department says, no, you can't say that. Or regulations say, you can't quite say that. How does one create messaging that is ground up compliant with legal standards and regulatory standards, yet at the same time is emotionally evocative and also can talk through the functional attributes and deliver on the brand promise? That is what the AI engines of messageGPT create. So it is not just knocking on the door of a language model and say, create this for me. It never works. One would have to carefully assemble the input. The way you ask the language model produces the appropriate response. I liken it to the old world of surveys, where we would say, hey, if you ask the question a particular way, then the consumer will give the answer that gives you the insight. Identical to working with language models. We have to figure out how to frame the ask so that what the language model comes back with precisely fits what we asked it to do. And that is the trick behind messageGPT. We have worked with, formalized the templates of the ask so that what comes back will be the perfect marketing message that you want to take for either a point of sale material or to be put on a package or to be placed in a billboard or to run an ad with. Now, this messaging can be done entirely through AI if you knew how to ask the language engine to respond. So we apply messageGPT for commercial purposes to create packaging materials, point-of-sale materials, but the identical message can also be used for political purposes, where you are trying to generate a particular political message, or you're trying to counter a message from an opponent. So be they debates or be they persuasion, messageGPT becomes a powerful engine to use language models with the appropriate guardrails to generate the right output. That is messageGPT from sensory.ai.